Hi, I'm Sam Soloway with the YogaSlackers, and today we're going to look at how to set up a slackline if you don't have trees. We're working with the Arrowhead anchor. It's a pretty simple yet clever device. Pound it into the ground, and then when you pull on it, it opens up and won't come out the hole it just went into. First thing we want to do is figure out where we want the slackline. Set the X-frame at the height you want, and then when you lay it down, roughly where the apex hits the ground is where you want the ground anchor to be. We want the cable facing the grass towards the slackline. Here the cable's on top of the arrowhead. We want the cable to be underneath the arrowhead. At the angle of the arrowhead, the same angle we want the slackline to pull. So in the same direction. Just going to slot the arrowhead in, and here we can pound straight down at first. Then tilt it, pound a little bit more, and then find the direction exactly that we want the anchor to be. Here I can just step with my foot, and then starts the fun part of pounding the anchor into the ground. We pounded it into the ground. We just need to remove the driving rod. I can wiggle it back and forth, hit it with a hammer, and then it should slide right out. The next thing we're doing is we're going to set the anchor. I can use my X-frame to do this. It's going to get a little closer than ideally setting it up. And then I'm going to wrap the line around the X-frame 2 or 3 times to add a little bit of friction. Then I can get behind the X-frame here, hold the top, pull on the frame. This is just turning that arrowhead so it stays in the ground. And that's all there is to it. Anchor 1 set. If your ground is soft, you might want to use 2 of these arrowheads. No trees, no problem. You can slack all day. Here we focused on using the arrowhead anchors to set up our line permanently in our backyard. The arrowhead is also a really good tool for setting up at the beach. They're a lot easier to pound into the ground, and then you just dig them out. Be sure to check out our website if you need some supplies. We've got everything you need.